In our industry, when things move slowly, risk grows fast. At Sciopay, we service clients from all over the world, from global settlements and facilitating payments to over 150 jurisdictions, all moving at high speed. We're stuck juggling disconnected tools, patching together multiple systems, but in essence, our job isn't to babysit workflows.
Thinking back, we partnered with Flagright nearly 2 years ago, and as we've scaled rapidly, every compliance decision has naturally carried a greater weight. One of the key factors has been the decision-making around AML, fraud, and screening framework. And with Flagright, I have the tools and expertise to set up a rule in just under a few minutes. We then combine that with simulations and shadow rules to measure the impact before making changes to our live setup. We test it, we tweak it, and deploy it. Secondly, when it comes to investigations, I can call Flagright an all-in-one solution. My team is no longer jumping between platforms or chasing scattered data. We have a single case management system covering automated transaction monitoring, screening investigations, and real-time payment approvals. We've also embedded AI tools into our investigations, cutting manual work by roughly 70%. I can see the impact from the top down and bottom up, and it drives a real change.
There's nothing that builds my confidence more than seeing our team focus on real investigations. With Flagright in the picture, these guys move at rocket speed, and that's how we've stayed a step ahead.